minus 6x plus 13 equal to. Here algebraic function. So algebraic function, whenever we saw the algebraic function like in quadratic form x square like that, we see the x coefficient first. X coefficient is what? 6. So x coefficient 6 into, make it half. So 6 into half equal to what? 3. So we can do the problem like this. I equal to integral dx by x square minus 6x. Keep it as it is. And this 3 can be added. 3 square minus 3 square plus 13. We will get the solution of by doing this. By doing x coefficient as half and squaring it and adding and subtracting. Thereby the value cannot change and it will come into standard integral form. So integral dx by x square minus 6x plus 9. 13 minus 9 is what? Plus 4. Okay. This is equal to what? Integral dx by, this is x square minus 6x plus 9 is what? X minus 3 whole square form plus, this is what? 2 square. Okay. 4 we can write 2 square and x square minus 6x plus 9 is what? X minus 3 whole square form. Okay. This is what? Integral dx by x square plus a square. So integral dx by x square plus a square equal to what? Integral dx by, so integral dx by, you write just in integral dx by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So this is equal to 1 by a is what? 2. 1 by 2 into tan inverse x minus 3 by 2 plus